Regiogaucho, savor the spark of flavor. In 1969, an Argentinian ignited our passion for chimichurri. As heirs, we honor the Gaucho tradition by preserving its essence. With innovation and a touch of Regio that enhances flavors in every dish, conquering palates one by one. We create new recipes, explore a universe of original culinary experiences such as our chimichurri with chili piquín, artisanal butters mixed with chimichurri or salsa macha and others. A perfect balance in each natural ingredient such as parsley, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and spices. We prioritize quality and freshness without artificial preservatives. Limitless versatility, ideal for meats, poultry, fish, cheeses, vegetables, sausages, and more. Subtle flavor, perfect to enjoy with family and friends. Discover delicious recipes at www.regiogaucho.com and on our social networks. Transform your kitchen or grill into a feast of aromas and flavors. Regiogaucho, Gaucho tradition with a Regio flavor.